I hope you're all doing great. Stockoption Sniper here. I hope that each and every one of you had an amazing, profitable week. Also, first and foremost, I'd like to thank each and every one of you that are supporting me, my channel. Those who are subscribed, always commenting and sending me personal pictures and many clips of your profits, telling me that, hey, listen, I listened to your video and you basically helped me with the refining my strategy, all that good stuff, right? I appreciate each and every one of you. And those on my merch sides, as you guys can see right here, we have three different type of logo. We have the sniper logo, we have the stock options YouTube logo, and we have the scope logo. Just this is the YouTube. We got the candlestick stock option sniper, and then we have the, which is one of my favorite. Where are you at? We have the scope logo, right? We also have the Minorities in hoodies. A lot of great designs, right? Amazing. So yes, you guys. Also, if you purchase this, there's about 25 of you. If you guys send me, if all 25, I don't know, 26, 27, I'm not sure how many, but you guys send me the receipt. There's only about 4 of you that send me the receipt. The Instagram is in my bio. My Instagram link is in my bio. In the link right here, I said bio. In my link right here, just go to my Instagram, send me like, hey, listen, I purchased one of your merch. Thank you, it's amazing, all that good stuff, and I have a surprise for you guys. Just real quick, yeah, let's go right to it. I want to give you guys a play. That I took for this week with my community. Today I gave them QQQ. QQQ was amazing, but I actually broke even on QQQ because it took me out the trade. As you guys can see right here, I had the structure right here. I was in my 2 hour. You guys know how I love my 2 hours right there. I was in my 2 hours, found my SND. I saw it trading right there. I saw my UTAD. Once I saw my UTAD, I said, oh, this is a preliminary, this is a LPSY right here is the last point of supply. Once I seen that, filling the gap, and it went all the way back. And that's okay. That's going to happen, right? I have a -1 right here. Right there, -1. I took the trade. The second trade, I just left it alone. So I was in the gym while this was happening. So I can put a -1. Right, so we took 2 trades, we lost both, but I gave that trade to them, and I want to break down this trade for you guys, right? What happened? Why did this happen? So right now, what's currently happening is that, as you guys can see, that we found our structure, right? We have the, I know some of you guys like, man, I know this already. I'm so glad you guys know it already. I'm so happy that you guys are making money with the strategy. Those who you guys that are sending me messages, and appreciate each and every one of you for using this strategy, right? We have that zone, we have our structure, we have the SND, and then we have the confirmation on the Wyckoff when the price touched that SND. Boom. When the price touched that SND, we are not done. We are waiting for that confirmation in a lower time frame of the exchange of weak hands to strong hand and take that move lower or even lower and lower, right? And then we use that as our green box where that confirming that trade. Okay, you cannot just have a structure and have a zone and everything else is cool, kudos. No. You have to have all 3 criteria met. You need a structure, you need an SNDs, and supply and demand, and then or imbalances, right? And you need a confirmation of Wyckoff. If you don't know what imbalance is, I have that in my, where's that at? Right there, market imbalance. Okay, just post it right there, perfectly for you guys. Watch those videos. As you guys know, my videos are step-by-step videos. So if you have not seen the previous videos from this video, you got to go right there, watch that right now. Otherwise, I'll be speaking gibberish or other language that you're not going to understand, right? Or you might do, but anyway, so now that we have that, I took that on. It was great. I was up at least 38% on that play, but I didn't take profit because I was trying to target these lows. But as you can see right here, I should have known better that this was the spring. And this was a sign of strength. And right now, we are looking very bullish on QQQ. So if you guys are taking this play, we are very bullish on the QQQ. QQQ right now is at 281. We're looking to take out the 293.29. So tomorrow, most likely, we are going to tell the team, hey, listen, you guys, we're taking calls. The first target is 229. Liquidate these 293.29, and then liquidate this 213.25, and liquidate this 221.13, right? These zones right here, and eventually we're going to liquidate these highs. Okay. Yes, we are. While individuals are looking to short this, we are going long, right? Why? Because we are smart money traders and we understand where the price is headed. Okay, we have people trying to short. I'm gonna give you guys an example of what I mean. I'm not trying to harpoon anybody or trying to make fun of anybody. I'm just saying I am qualified to say that because before when I was trading retail, I did not understand anything why the price was doing. I was just depending on my indicators and whatever my indicators tell me, that's it is what it is. Right? Now that I understand how to trade the footprint of the smart money, I'm very confident in giving any plays out with my team in any time frame, and I have a proper setup, amazing setup, and I know exactly where to take my trades, when to take it, if I can set an alerts where I can find the setup, put alerts, go to the gym, enjoy my time with my family, go eat breakfast, whatever. I don't have to trade every day. I have those set up with you guys. If you want to learn that you don't have to be on screen time every day and make money, you guys go to my mentorship. I'm not here to sell you on a mentorship, but it is what it is. Go on my mentorship. I talk about this in detail. I have students that are killing it right now. I told you guys the other day, if you watch my previous video, I have the student that who's been trading for only a week. I think a week and a day, right? And those students are literally up. They invested $100 in my community, and guys, they're literally up $1,000 just in a day, right? They love this. They love the strategy. If they can learn it, why can't you? Right? I have one of my students. I send him my YouTube channel, watch all my videos, sending me content. He's in my community. He's in my community, still sending me and still telling me that yo, this is so amazing. Like till this day, right? Shout out to you, brother. You know who you are. Shout out to you, right? So, how did I find the setup? Well, right now we broke structure. This was the structure, okay? This was also a structure. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not here to boast. You guys can believe me or not. It's fine with me. Okay, my community members will tell you. But everything is in my Patreon. The link is in my bio, you guys. Right? We got that zone right there. What happened? That structure, I'm sorry, not the zone. That structure, once we broke that structure, you know we were transferring bullish, becoming bullish. We had that accumulate. We had the selling climax. We had that spring, right? We had the AR. We had that, I can't see, right? We had that spring, the move up. Now we're looking to give a sign of strength. And what's going to happen? We're reaccumulation, and boom, we're looking to see a mark up to 293.29, taking out these highs. So yes, you see supply zone, but we understand that we are transferring into a bullish market. So what's going to happen? This is going to happen. Oh, retail trade. I'm going to short. I'm going to short. I'm going to short. It goes up even higher. I'm going to short. I'm going to short. I'm going to short. It goes up even higher. Not understanding the liquidity and why price is doing what it does. Okay, so I am bullish. I do want to tell my team that we are going to take out 293.29. My team gets everything that I chart the same exact day. So shout out to you guys. That's what happened when you invest into my. That's what happened when you invest into my skills, right? So that's what we gave. We took two baby losses, no biggie, right? I'll make that back. I'll make that back the same exact day tomorrow. Today I was just enjoying the gym too much that I wasn't paying attention really, but that's normal. Anyway, I want to talk about Exxon. Exxon is one of our hitter. If you guys are in my community, in my Patreon community, you could just look at it. I post my profits there. I post my profit on Exxon. There it is. Beautiful. Right, guys, we literally caught Exxon at 83.78. Okay, I should have got in there, but I was too focused on other plays. But Exxon was such a great hitter. I have it on, I played this on my 10 minutes. This was on my weekly. It was a long story. If you don't know why I played that in my 10 minutes, check out the rules of 30. So it was on my weekly, right? And on my weekly, you can believe me or not, by the way. Somebody's like, oh, he already drew this, he already did that before prior. It's okay. You guys can believe me or not. I have the proof in my Patreon that I posted that you guys can see that my contract was purchased on the 11th, right? So it was the 11th, whichever. But yeah, so we went to our weekly, we did our 4 hour, then we went to our 10 minutes, and then we played it there. And what happened? Boom, just bullish and running, shaving contract, finding a structure, getting a re-entry, and boom, just runs and runs and runs. Right? Just amazing play over and over from Exxon. Exxon, when I called it, it was around $80. I believe it was $80, 83 bucks. Where's that? 80 bucks. I think it was 80 bucks, right? Literally right on that bounce. While people were shorting, and I love this. This is like where I know my strategy works. Why? Because when people were shorting, because they seen that supply zone on Exxon at that 104, they were shorting. So people was like, oh, it's a supply zone. Oh, now we have to take out all these liquidation, but they don't understand where the market is headed overall. Right now, the market is extremely bullish on Exxon, so Exxon is just running and running. And hope it's overextended, so we definitely got to go back down. Yeah, we do have to go back down, but right now Exxon is in a bullish run and is looking to take out this 104.55. Right. So while smart money, while dumb money, I don't want to say dumb money, but while retail trader is getting that cookie effect, I teach you guys about the cookie effect where, okay, I got into my supply zone, it goes down. Let me draw it so I'll make it visual, right? So it goes down. Once it goes down, you get that cookie effect where they temporarily are winning, and then boom, all of a sudden they get taken out, break even, negative on their play. Eventually they become saying, oh, I blew my account. What happened? I didn't know. I was up. Should have took profit. I'm greedy. Like, your play is fine. It's just you have to understand where the market is headed. If you want to know where the market is headed, I have a video. It's called The Golden Goose. Go check that out. You'll see everything that I'm talking about and how to plot the market direction from A to Z. Right? I'll teach you guys. I teach you guys that. So yeah, one of my 10 minutes. Got a beautiful entry in exam. I got a beautiful entry on my exam. So we saw that spring. Once you saw that spring, got that markup, reaccumulation, more run up, and I'm definitely looking to see exam go higher and higher to 104.55. Guys, please, this is not financial advice. Just because you've seen this video, don't be like, oh, he said exam is gonna run, exam is gonna run. Guys, no, this is not financial advice. This was my perspective. I took this play, I gave it out for free. So if you want to go try exam, please paper trade. I have a disclaimer in the beginning of my video. Please watch that. Everything that I talk about is not financial advice. It is only my perspective, and trade at your own risk. Okay? I don't want to confuse anybody thinking, oh, but you said it's bullish. Guys, no. This is my own perspective. If you're trading, trade at your own risk. Okay? So I have it right there. I have bullish in my perspective. Now I'm saying in my perspective. Right, so I have exam trying to liquidate all these highs, trying to take it out 104.55, and I'm looking to see it higher and higher and higher. Okay. Once again, not financial advice. So that's how I found those plays. If you guys don't understand what I'm talking about, I just want to recap everything. So basically, the rules of 30. Right, you find how many minutes is in 4 hours, which is 240. Right, 240, 60 times 4 is 240, correct? And then you divide that by 30, and you should be playing in that time frame. I believe it's in the 10 minutes, in the 8 minutes, but in Webull, you guys know I love Webull. We don't have the 8 minutes, so I play in the 10 minutes, right? That is the closest to the 8 minutes. And I get my entries on those lower time frame. Why do we use that? Well, go watch the Rule 30 video. Why do we divide by 30? Well, go watch the rules of video and you'll understand exactly why. Right? Because we know we've been to a time frame before where we find the perfect setup. It's a double top. And then we go to the 15 minutes and it wasn't congruent to that time frame where you initially found the double top, and you just missed everything, right? The rules of 30 will help you solve that. And that's how we found the play, you guys. It's very fun. Just quick. I don't want to draw my exam. So just a quick recap, right? We found our strategy. We found our structure. I tell you guys this all the time, but it's okay. I know you guys will never get tired of me talking about this because you guys are winning. And you guys are winners. Right? We found a structure, we found it in the form of SND. We wait for price to come up to that zone. Right? Boom, once we touch that zone, we wait for the transfer of weak hands to strong hands. Once we have that, we take it down lower. Right? And we'll put that green box. And then on the opposite side, we have that vice versa. Boom. Okay? We find that structure. Once you find that structure, let me make that blue. Find that structure. Find that last down move. Where's the red? Okay. And boom, once we find that last down move, we wait for the price to come down. And boom, we take it all the way up. You can shave your profits by the time you hit the top of the structure and leave runners and to keep it running and running until until it liquidates all those highs, right? Like what's going on here on Splunk. I don't even know this stock, honestly. I have it charted, but I haven't played this in a while. Okay. I don't know. I haven't seen this. I haven't played Splunk in a while, you guys. You can see it was a pretty accurate zones. It was awesome. But yeah, so right now we're looking to liquidate all these highs. If we do get Splunk is in a super downtrend right now. But anyway, you guys, if you haven't seen my liquidation video, go check that out. Give that a try. Like I said, you guys, please trade at your own safety, trade at your own risk. First do your own due diligence. Just don't take anything from anybody and just say, oh, but he said that, right? Like I literally give you guys my strategy. I use this personally. Um, you know, some people have their own strategy. In order for you to have access to that strategy, you got to pay them multi-thousand dollars, which it's a business. At the end of the day, I've invested lots of money in courses to get to where I am. So, but I'm giving this to you guys for free, right? And if you want to know more about that, I have a Patreon community, not an issue. I do that too, right? I have a Patreon community. Want to know deeper? You can talk to me on Instagram or you can make a comment here. Okay? So guys, trade safely once again. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. Peace.